How much should you actually spend on a grill mat? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Let's break down what you really need to know about the best grill mats for decks. Product number 1, FIREWESS Grill Mat. First up is the FIREWESS Grill Mat, measuring 30 x 48 inches and priced at $19.96. What caught my attention was its double-sided design and heat resistance up to 2000 degrees F. If you want to keep your outdoor area clean and safe, this is worth a serious look. That means spills and grease won't seep in, making cleanup as easy as rinsing it with a hose or wiping it down with a cloth. With over 1,000 reviews averaging 4.5 stars, it's clearly a favorite among grill enthusiasts. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit small for larger grills. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard grill setup, it still provides ample protection, and for the price, it's a solid deal. This is perfect for you if you're a casual griller who wants to enjoy barbecue without worrying about your deck. Skip this one if you have a very large grill setup that requires more coverage. For just under $20, it's a great value. Now, if the size of the FIREWESS mat is a concern for you, the next one I'm going to talk about offers a larger option. Product number 2, ProteBox Under Grill Mat. Next up is the ProteBox Under Grill Mat, measuring 60 x 40 inches and priced at $24.29. The size is impressive, and it caught my eye thanks to its double-sided fireproof design. If you want maximum coverage while grilling, this one deserves your attention. The silicone coating is waterproof and oil-proof, which means any spills are simply wiped away, making cleanup a breeze. With 1,600 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's clear that many find it reliable. However, some users mention that it can slide around a bit during use. But honestly, as long as you position it correctly, it stays put well enough for most grilling sessions. This is perfect for you if you have a larger grill and want comprehensive protection. Skip this if you're looking for something portable, as it's a bit bulkier. For the price, you get a lot of value with this mat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for extra durability. Product number 3, UB-Size Grill Mat. Now we're looking at the UB-Size Grill Mat, a large 65 x 48 inches priced at $26.99. What really stood out to me is its versatility. It's not just for grilling, but can be used for welding and camping as well. If you want a mat that can handle various outdoor situations, this could be the one. This mat is made with a double-sided silicone coating that's fireproof, waterproof, and oil-resistant. That means it can withstand heat up to 2000 degrees F while protecting your deck or lawn from spills and grease. It's a lifesaver for keeping your outdoor space clean and tidy after barbecuing. With a solid rating of 4.2 stars from 2,600 reviews, it's definitely a popular choice. One downside I found is that it might be a bit heavy for some users to carry around. But honestly, the durability and protection it offers make it worth the little extra effort. This mat is perfect for you if you need something that can be used for more than just grilling. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. For just under $30, it offers excellent quality. Now, if you're after even more size and protection, the next product on our list will catch your eye. Product number 4, TAOMAND Grill Mat. Next is the TAOMAND Grill Mat, which is a whopping 76 x 52 inches and priced at $33.99. The size is impressive, and it caught my attention because it's designed for heavy-duty use. If you want a robust shield against spills and high heat, this one is definitely worth considering. With heat resistance also up to 2000 degrees F, it can easily handle any grilling situation, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, it's built to last with finely stitched edges that resist curling or cracking, which is a huge plus. With a 4.3-star rating from 1,000 reviews, users are clearly happy with its performance. One downside, the price is a bit higher than some others on the list. But honestly, if you need that extra coverage and durability, it's justifiable. This mat is perfect for you if you frequently host large outdoor gatherings. Skip this one if you're looking for a compact option to store easily. For the price, you're getting great value for a high-quality product. Alright, that was a big one. But there's one more mat that's budget-friendly yet still effective for basic needs. Product number 5, Linda's Essentials Grill Mat. Finally, we have Linda's Essentials Grill Mat measuring 48 x 30 inches and priced at just $17.99. This is the most affordable option on the list, and what grabbed my attention is its solid construction and reliability. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still protects your deck, give this one a look. It effectively shields your outdoor spaces from grease and stains while making cleanup super easy. Just wipe it, rinse it, or hose it down. With 1,000 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clear that many users appreciate the quality for the price. However, some customers mention that it might be a bit small for larger grills. Here's the thing though, if you have a standard grill setup, it still does a great job of protecting your space. This is perfect for you if you're a casual griller looking to keep things clean without breaking the bank. Skip this if you regularly use a larger grill setup. At this price, you really can't go wrong for basic protection. Now to wrap things up, let's quickly compare what we've seen. So to recap, we've got the FIREWSS for those who want decent protection at a great price, the Prote Box for larger grilling areas, the UB size for versatility beyond just grilling, the TAOMAND for heavy-duty use, and Linda's Essentials as the budget-friendly option. Each has its pros and cons, but all of them are solid choices depending on your specific needs. Choose wisely and enjoy your grilling time.